Hi guys, so I know this vlog has been completely abrupt and I suddenly popped up on the screen saying okay, this is our first day of Delhi, but okay, so I'm in Delhi and we are staying in our house, so okay, that's no biggie and that doesn't matter anyways, but we are here to explore Delhi. I had been to Delhi when I was younger, like when I was in first or second standard, so I don't remember anything. So here I am and continue watching this vlog because it will contain one of the best memories, because this is my second time visiting it and I love Delhi. I really love Delhi. But okay, despite of its pollution and the heat, I love it. So yeah, let's continue with day 2. Let's go. Hi guys, we are at Humayun's tomb. It is the Asia's very first garden tomb and it was built by Empress Baji Begum, Humayun's first wife, and it is fully covered with red sandstone. It is built by red sandstone and yeah, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. My overexcited girl. We're going in. Let's go. अभी हम गए थे 4 बाग देखा हमने अंदर, प्लस हम टॉम के अंदर भी गए थे, बट उसमें लोगों ने अंदर लिखा है, इसीलिए गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स जो है वो साइट्स को बंद कर देता है. मतलब व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ राइटिंग? देयर इज नो पॉइंट, इसीलिए सब बंद कर देते हैं. 4 बाग देखा, 4 folded quadrant garden. On our way to India Gate. We are at India Gate. Hi guys, I am standing at India's tallest brick minaret, which was made in 1199, and that is Qutub Minar. So it was made by Qutbuddin Aibak in 1199 and it was later propounded by Iltutmish. He was the last successor of Delhi Sultanate, and then it was restored by Firoz Shah. It is completely covered with red sandstone and Islamic Quran carvings with marbles. So here we are, and I must say it is completely breathtaking. Completely, like each of the brick, it stands tall, and it is quite tall. It is 73 meters. So yeah, let's go and let's have a look at it closely. Can you see it? So beautiful. It's not beautiful, it's magnificent. The famous pillar of Mehrauli. This is so beautiful, breathtaking, incredible India, magnificent. Now we are out of the founder of Delhi Sultanate, Qutbuddin Aibak's Qutub Minar, and we are now making our way to Birla Mandir, and I'll definitely show it to you. Let's go. हम करने के थक गए हैं, काहे इनको समझ में नहीं आता कि हम इतना चल नहीं सकते।
तो पूरा बोला तो पूरा हिंदी है बोला। हम एकदम थक गए हैं, हमें मालूम नहीं रहा कि हम इतना चले पड़े, ना हम ओबे न करी तो लोग जवान है ना।
काहे जवान, हम तो अब तो ऐसा लगता है कि 30 साल के हो गए हैं। हाँ। चलो ही नहीं जाता।
तो दादी नहीं है, वो बिटिया हो, बिटिया।
मस्ती नहीं रुकनी चाहिए। Beautiful, right? Yeah.
Yes, and I'm.
कि मैंने इनको डरा दिया, मैंने इन्हें।
ठीक है, अगली बार और